Hello students, this is lesson 9 on chapter 5 of class 9 biology. Today we are going to discuss about cell division, but before that we are going to discuss about two more organelles here which are mainly present in the animal cells. Like one of them is peroxisomes. Peroxisomes are microbodies with highly powerful oxidative enzymes. They are mainly present in the kidney and liver cells. They metabolize hydrogen peroxide, uric acid, and some toxic materials which might have uh, introduced in our bodies accidentally. So they are mainly involving themselves in removing the toxic substances. Another cell organelle which is present only in the animal cell but it is absent in plant cell, that is called centrosome. Centrosomes are present very near the nucleus. This is the position of the centrosome. You can see a protoplasmic envelope is covering it, that is called the centrosphere. Inside the centrosome, two centrioles are present which are lying forming a 90-degree angle with each other. Each centrioles are made up of thin microtubular structures here. Here the important points about the centrosome: it is present only in animal cell. A sheath of cytoplasm encloses two centrioles, each centriole made up of microtubules. Centrioles lie 90 degree with each other, forms the centrosome. Their main function is forming astral bodies and spindle fibers and helping in the process of cell division. They also form the basal bodies. These basal bodies later develops into cilia and flagella. These are the locomotory organs in unicellular organisms. So here ends the discussion about the cell organelles present inside the cell. Now we are going to discuss about the cell division. We know that the very important characteristic feature of living organism is to reproduce and increase in number, and that occurs when one cell divides into two or four. We know that a cell divides when there is a previously present cell is there. Cell division occurs in two phases: karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of the nucleus, and cytokinesis means division of the cytoplasm. It occurs one after the other. That is, first karyokinesis occurs, then cytokinesis occurs. Cell division is generally of three types: mitosis, and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in unicellular organism like in amoeba. Binary fission occurs from one mother cell, two daughter cells are produced. The process is called mitosis. Mitosis mainly occurs in the somatic cell or body cells. It is called the equational division because the amount of DNA or the numbers of chromosomes in the mother cell is same as the number of chromosomes in the nucleus of a daughter cell. It occurs mainly in the somatic or the body cells. That's why it is called somatic cell division also. Meiotic cell division occurs only in the reproductive cells. It is a reductional division. Why? Because the number of chromosome in the daughter cell reduces into half than the mother cell's chromosomes in the nucleus. That is why it is called reductional division. Here we are going to discuss about the phases of mitosis, because mitosis occurs in most of the cells, that is the body cells. Mitosis occurs in four phases mainly. It is actually the phases of karyokinesis. What are they? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Here you can see in the prophase is the stage where gradually the nuclear membrane disappears and the chromosomes are getting very prominent. Here you can see this is the astral body. This is actually animal cell where the centrosomes are getting separated. Prophase is the longest phase in a karyokinesis process. After that, metaphase stage occurs, which is the shortest stage in a karyokinesis process, where the chromatids are very smaller in size, and there the centromeres are present near the equatorial region of the nucleus. In this stage, nucleolus and the nuclear membrane disappears. In the next stage, that is called the anaphase, where gradually the chromatids longitudinally divides and they form these daughter chromosomes. You can see here, and these are the spindle fibers, where due to contraction of these spindle fibers the chromatids are separated on two poles. And gradually telophase occurs, where the cytogenesis already starts here. In the telophase, two nucleuses are completely developing, and where just the opposite of the prophase occurs, that is nucleolus again develops and the nuclear membrane develops also. And finally, from a mother cell, two daughter cells are produced which are having same number of chromosomes as the mother cell. That's why mitosis is called the equational division. But in meiosis, you can see here meiosis occurs in two phases. This is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. This meiosis 1 is the longest one, where prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1, these stages are occurring. And after that, this meiosis 2 occurs, where prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2 occurs. This is actually just like the mitotic cell division which occurs here. The important is the first meiosis, that is the meiosis 1, where crossing over occurs and different other stages occur, which we will be learning in the higher classes, during which the chromosomal exchange occurs, that is the genetic exchange or chromosomal pairs which are exchanging between each other occurs, due to which variation occurs in different organisms. Here we are focusing on the significance of mitosis. What are the significance of mitosis? Significance of mitosis, it is a equational division because identical daughter cells are produced with nucleus having equal number of chromosomes, that is chromosomal numbers are equal with the mother cells. Here actually from a mother cell two daughter cells are produced, and it helps in increasing in body cells. That's why any somatic cell grows. Due to this process, zygote develops into a mature body. This also helps in the process of regeneration. It helps in wear and tear and repairing of the tissues also. What are the significance of meiosis? It is called the reductional division. As I told earlier, that is in daughter cells the number of chromosomes are reduced to half, and thus after fertilization what occurs, that is fertilization occurs, and thus then parental cells combine with each other forming the zygote, where again the chromosome number gets doubled. This is the main process by which the chromosome number and the total amount of DNA is regained. Here mainly 4 daughter cells are produced from a mother cell. Here crossing over a very important stage occurs during the meiosis 1, where exchange of chromosome pair occurs, due to which variation occurs. And variation and evolution, all these things occurs due to the process of meiosis. So you can find out the differences between mitosis and meiosis easily from this description. So here lies, we are coming to the end of the discussion about the chapter 5, that is